My name is Dazio, and this is your sneak peek at the Samsung Fast Charge Power Pack Bundle. Now, the current price of this is $129.99 as of 11/19/2017. That's right, I said 11/19. That means November. I purchased mine for $106.99, and I purchased that August the 23rd, 2017. I saved $23 on this. I didn't buy it at full price. So when you're purchasing things that cost hundreds, $200, try to get savings. There's something called Ebates that I use. Ebates helps you earn cash back. I used to thought it was like a con, so I never used it. But like 6 years ago, I started using it, started saving money, and I was like, all right, this is some good shit right here. This product can only be purchased at Best Buy, so do not look for this anywhere else. Only there can you buy this bundle pack. Now it comes with the wireless charging stand. It comes with the portable battery pack, and it has the dual port vehicle charger here at the bottom. So these are the three items it comes with. It comes with the USB cable included, which is for micro and just USB to USB connection. Now, the best part at this sneak peek is looking inside and seeing exactly what's in it. So let's do it. As you can see, I did not open this. I'm about to struggle. Y'all about to see me struggle. Okay. Alright, right off the top you have the USB charger, dual port charger right here. Comes with the cable as well. So let's take a look at it. It says adaptive fast charging. Hooks right up to the vehicle with the 2 ports. Has the cord. Of course, this part hooks up to the charger. And that hooks up to your phone. But one of the cool things about this is it can hook up to your wireless charger, which is even better. So that's the first part of the opening of the container. Then we got this little secret compartment right here. That's where the good stuff is at. Oh, look at that. It has the adaptive charger, just like that comes with your phone. It's white. I wish it was black. No racism, no racism. Just wanted it to match my phone. And there go the cord as well. See that? You know what that does. I don't need to explain that. Then we have the best part. These charging stands. Now, you can buy these things separately. There's a bundle pack to buy the wireless charger and a dual port charger for like $39.99. If you just do not want the added part of the battery pack. Has a little quick startup guide. I don't know exactly all those details, but just looking at it, I like this back. I like the color. Texture is nice. Comes with this little flip thingy. This is what I need, because I get tired of plugging my shit all the way into a wall or whatever. I just want something where I can just throw it on, charge it, and then you're off. So that's the stand. Then we have the last part of the battery pack. Now look at that. This is the fast charge. Has the button on it. Let's see if I can get it in focus. Has the this cool ass button at the top. That's the 3 lights. I'm guessing that's the charge left on the battery. Has a nice weight to it. I think it would be perfect. This is perfect for on the go. And if you live on your phone like me, this is even more perfect, because you're like always on your phone. Run out of battery, looking at Instagram, at YouTube, whatever it may be. It's a good product. Then you got the micro. Then you got the USB to USB. So these 2 elements are just perfect to go along with all this. And this whole battery pack, all these accessories with the 3 main parts, you get all this for $129. But luckily I got mine for like $106. So let's get down to the rating. For the box presentation of this bad boy, I'm giving it a 5, because I mean, everything is compact, easy to take out, easy to take it anywhere, just in case you want to throw it all back together. It's just perfect. So I'm giving that a 5. For the price, I'm gonna go ahead and give it a 3, because I got three elements on my scale. I have amazing, which is like perfect. I have alright, which I can see why. It's that price, and high as hell means it's too much money. I'm giving it a 3. So it's like right in the middle. It's I can see why. It's worth your money. So that was the last one. The use of it. Is it worth your money to buy this? Yes, I'm giving it a 5. Because you're gonna need all the parts for charging your phone in your house, in your car, maybe at the movies, wherever you may be. You're covered with this bundle pack, and that's what it all comes down to. You need to be covered with all your crap. Let's give it a rating. Average rating would be 4.3 for this product, 5 being the best, so 4.3. That's a good rating for it. You should check it out. This wraps up this sneak peek. And as always, stay hustling, chase your dreams, and be safe. And until next time, peace.